Hola, this is another tutorial for the BsideLearn project, and I am Tiamo Buddha, and this is your third lesson in the series called HTML. And in the previous lesson, we had spoken about what HTML tags are and their importance, which is pretty simple. They are what structures out the whole entire HTML document. And I had promised that in this lesson I'll be explaining these tags that we'd used to make our basic HTML web page. So without further ado, let me do that. Now I'll be explaining each of these tags from line to line, from line 1 up till line 9, and I hope that you pay attention. So the first line has this tag, and this is the only place we see this tag. It does not have an opening and a closing tag, and I said tags have to have opening and closing tags. Well, this is a special kind of a tag. It is called an HTML declaration, and this declaration or this tag is a tag that defines the document type and HTML version that we're using. Now, there are 5 different versions of HTML, and they are all maintained by the W3C. Yes, I think I said it right. And the latest version is HTML5. Now, to make an HTML5 version HTML document, we actually have to use this declaration alone. So this whole entire declaration tells our web browser that we are using HTML5. And that's about it for the first line of code. Now the second line is kind of similar to the last line. This is an opening HTML tag, and this is what is called a closing HTML tag. Now, the HTML tag is the root tag that encloses the whole entire HTML document. Each and every HTML document has to have this tag, and each and every tags that you'll be using to structure your text or HTML documents, they should be within these whole entire tags, whole entire HTML tags, in fact. So that is why you see that all this content here is within the HTML tag. So if you're using a text editor that allows indentation, you could press tab and it would indent everything properly for you, so that you can visually see that this is within that. You see, all this content is within the HTML tag. HTML tag, once more again, is the root tag that encloses the whole entire HTML document. Okay, let's move on to the third line. Now, the third line has this tag, and it is called the head tag. So does the fifth line have this tag. Now, this is the opening head tag, and this is the closing head tag. Now, the head tag represents the document's header. The tag houses many other tags used to preload data, or used to preload the whole entire document, just like that. So in this case, we want to say that once our document starts loading, please first of all load the title of the whole entire document, and then poof, it does that. And then once it's done preloading and everything has loaded, and then displaying your body and everything, bam. So the header is actually what happens first, and then the body and every other tag below the header tags is what comes after. Now, on the fourth line, we're presented with the title tag here and the closing title tag here. Now, the title tag, as its name suggests, is a tag that is used to give a web page or a web document a title. Now, if we go to the file that we saved and open up on our web browser, this one, the title is most of the time displayed here on your web browser. Here it is, the title of the document. This whole entire document has this title, and we set it with the code here by specifying that, hey, this content here is going to be a title. So you can place whatsoever title that you want. In this case, it means that I can say BsideLearn and then save this, and this is where we saved it. Open it in our browser, and then it will load in our browser, and then there our title has changed to BsideLearn. So this is the title of the whole entire web page. Okay, now after the title tag, we close the head tag. Now, we had spoken about the head tag, the opening and the closing tag. Now, the title is a tag that stays within the head tag. It was one of the many tags that are preloaded in the header. Okay, now after that we come to the body tag. Now, the body tag is one of the most important tags also on an HTML document. The body tag represents the document's whole entire body, which keeps other HTML tags like h1, p, etc. and etc. Now, most of the document's content is kept within the body tag. The body tag is, if you've written an email before, you know that you have to write the subject on the place where you write the subject, the CC where you write the CC and where you are emailing to, but there's the body of the email. This is where you write the whole entire content of your email. So forth with HTML. The body tag is used in the particular sense. You write all the content that you want to display to your user within the body tag. Okay, now the P tag. The P tag is a tag, one of the most simplest tags in fact. Opening tag and closing tag here. It is one of the most simplest tags in fact, and it is a tag that represents a paragraph. So if you place content within the P tag, you'll be telling your web browser that, hey, treat this few sentences or this text as a paragraph, and your web browser will exactly do that, and then it's going to format it properly into a paragraph. And then we'll be closing our body, and then remember we said the whole entire content of our web page goes within our body, thus our paragraph was inside of our body. And then we close the HTML, and then now the HTML is closed because we are done writing our HTML file. That's about it. Thank you guys for listening. I hope that you watch the next coming lessons, and see you then. Please check out our channel, which is BsideLearn, and please check out our website, which is bsideLearn.co.za. See you then.